Okay, hello everybody, welcome back. Omega Given here. I am going to show you guys a real quick kind of tutorial on how to roll back your server to, say, a previous world save that you have. Like, say if you did an event and you saved that event, like the state of that event afterwards or something like that, how to roll it back. Because right now in the ATT, we had a couple glitches that happened recently, and if you look at the screen now, we have weird stuff that goes on where, like, you know, the construction bin for this is not here, and the stairs are gone. So, and there's a couple other places that it's kind of like weird like this. So we're gonna try to fix it by doing a rollback. So basically what you have to do is go to tavern.township.com, go to your server, ATT SMP, make sure you're logged in. I actually don't know, confirm for that, but oftentimes just log in anyways. Go to world saves. On world saves, you might have a first, or like your backups and everything. So I took our backup for when we finished the first trial. So we're going to restore save. So it looks like we have to be offline in order to restore a save. So let's get offline then. All right, finally our server is offline. You can see right here how it went offline. So now that it's offline, we can go and revert back by doing restore save, restore world to this save. Now, this is just like we had shown before. We kind of have to make sure we get off it and everything. So restore this world to the save. A backup of the current world will be created before restoring. Please name and enter backup. Okay, this is what we're confirming here is just like the name of, like, just say bugged world or bugged after trial. I don't know. I'm just gonna do that just for a name convention, just in case if, like, we forgot something or whatever. So we're gonna do that and give it a moment to do its thing, and hopefully it will work. Bugged after trial. Okay. So it looks like it got rid of the backup, which is good to know. So if you had a good backup, it might be good to make another backup of whatever you just did. So let's do a save world right here really quick and just do after trial 1. So we're gonna create another backup just in case if that, like, because we just lost that one backup. So we're gonna create that backup, and then now we could probably go back into the game and double check if it fixed it or not, or issue. And we'll see. Let's get into the game. I gotta find my world somewhere. All right, ready, and so we're gonna have to just double check some stuff. Yes, we do have our hands are all glitched out, but we do have the stairs back because there was the stairs in this save, so that's good. And just double checking one other thing, because, you know, random stuff happens in our world because people are consistently using stuff, and we see that there is a bridge over there. Now what do I have? I have nothing except for a bunch of copper. Oops. So that's sad. Lost all my copper. But hey, I guess that's what you gotta lose if you're gonna fix your world from random stuff that happened. Which this is actually good, because I also had issues with the save, or like the trials in this world. So hopefully we got stuff back, and looks like we have some stuff here. I technically should have a bunch of iron and a bunch of copper. Yeah, there we are. A bunch of iron, a bunch of copper. And we should be good. But yeah, that's how you do it. It's just fairly easy, fairly, you know, makes sense how to do things. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all next time.